Well, hello there. If I'm leaving the house, or even if I'm not leaving the house, there are a few basic essentials that I'll always have on me. A watch, a flashlight torch of some kind, a pair of the Knipex Cobra XS, and a pocket knife of some kind. So all this gear here is going to always be with me and will allow me to do my day as I need to. If I take a bag with me, I like to have a few little extra items in that bag just in case of any kind of emergencies. I just like to have a few little bits with me for just in case. So typically I'll just use a little canvas zip pouch, fairly small size, that I can squeeze a few essentials in that might come in useful and might save the day should something bad happen. Absolutely fantastic essential thing first to have is a roll of duct tape. Duct tape comes on big round rolls. That's not very practical, is it? I've just got an old store card here that I've wrapped a few meters of excellent Jaffa tape. This used to be called, it's now called American duct tape. It's excellent, super sticky and really flexible compared to Gorilla tape, which can be quite inflexible. Just 1,000 uses for duct tape. Always have some with you, I say. So that's got to go in there. Next thing, a little tiny disposable Bic lighter. What's that triangle thing called? Something to do with the hierarchy of needs. Warmth, fire is a basic survival need. If you did happen to be stuck out in nature or anywhere really, a way to start a fire is essential. So in that goes. Also, your lighter might run out, it might fail, it might not work in extreme temperatures. I just bung a little small ferro rod in there as well. I've got numerous ways to strike this to get sparks. Little file tool on the Sportsman makes an excellent ferro rod striker, as does the awl on many Victorinox pocket knives. Okay, you've made some sparks, but you need something to burn, don't you? I always keep a couple of kind of wax coated tinder rolls in there. These can be pulled apart. You could start many fires with a couple of them. You never know, in they go. A whistle. A really loud whistle, super loud. These were so cheap off of eBay, I think, maybe Amazon. If I was out walking in the countryside with the family, friends, whatever, and I got injured or fell down a big hole or something, this can go much louder than my voice shouting could. Emergency whistle, just keep one in there. In this little bag I've got about, 4 meters of dental floss. You could floss your teeth with it. You could fashion one into a fishing line. I've got 2 tiny magnets in there as well. Attach those to the end of this. You can make a really long piece of dental floss with magnets on the end. If you drop your keys down a drain or something, you could potentially fish them out with that. Dental floss is really strong. Use it for sewing. Use it for tying things up. Dead versatile dental floss. In it goes. I've got a little Blade Tech tungsten pull through knife sharpener. Get your knife in there, pull it through. I know pull through knife sharpeners get slated by proper knife people and that, but for out in the field these are really excellent, superb, really effective for putting a quick sharp edge on any blade that gets dulled. Just a few water purification tablets, 8 in there, so 8 litres of water. Never know, dear, not taking up any room, just bung them in there. Also got a Shelby P38 can opener. I'm not going to use a can opener very often, are you? But if you do need one and you ain't got one, well, that sucks. Super thin, flat and light, really effective. An excellent can opener. Can be used as a scraper, flathead driver. Really handy to have a piece of sturdy flat metal. I've just popped a safety pin through there. I have got another couple of safety pins that I'm going to shove in there as well. So useful. Fashion one into a fishing hook. Use it for fastening things together. Repairs. Sharp pokey bit of metal. Yeah, handy to have. So by putting one through there, it just stops the blade flipping open on the can opener. I've got a jigsaw blade here that's been adapted, wrapped around with some heat shrink tubing at the bottom there. This will fit into the slot occupied by the universal hook on any Victorinox knife with the universal hook. You slide that through there, put that in there. The hook holds the saw in place there. I mean, it's not ideal, but it does work. So if you're carrying a Swiss Army knife or something without a saw built in, like a compact here, then just bung that little wood saw into your pack and you've got a little wood saw should the situation call for one. I'm going to throw a large paper clip in there as well for good measure. So many uses for a paper clip. Just use your imagination or do a search online on Google, YouTube, tons of videos and things explaining stuff you can do with a paper clip. Get in there. Yeah, just a little kit stashed away in my bag. It's there if I need it. There you go. I don't carry a ton of stuff, but just a few little essentials that might save the day if the situation called for it. Love to hear about what you guys carry. Is this too little? Is it too much? Let me know what you reckon. Let me know what you use. What about this as a carrier? It's not waterproof or anything, is it? But it's conformable, so nice and slim and really light and really cheap just to keep it all together. Thank you for having a little look at this one, and I hope to see you later. Goodbye.